If you want to charge other devices using your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, then in this case, to do so, you will have to use a USB cable, because unfortunately, it is not possible to charge another device wirelessly. We do not have a wireless power sharing option available on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. So for that reason, we have to use the cable. So I'm going to connect my Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G to another smartphone in this example, but of course we can use anything that has USB port. And there we go, we are immediately charging the other device. There is a chance that our Redmi Note 15 Pro will be charged instead of charging. So if that happens, you have to open the notifications. It's actually turned off for some reason, so let me do that again. So essentially, you want to look for a notification charging this device via USB, and you need to switch to reverse charging, just like I'm doing this over here. So here on 15 Pro, I can do exactly that now. We have charging this device via USB, and we need to switch to reverse charging. There we go. So yeah, only with USB cable you can charge other devices. Subscribe to my channel.